Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day, I'm more confused. So I look for the light in the pouring rain.
A lot of sailors are leaving Porto Santo. We get a new toy, and we celebrate holidays as well as my birthday.
Ain't that a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Our biggest fans are leaving us. Yeah. We're gonna miss them.
We'll see you guys again somewhere.
Thank you for everything. It was really a pleasure to meet you.
It was great to meet you
See
guys.
you.
See you somewhere.
Somewhere again.
Don't know where, don't know when, but I'm sure we'll meet again some sunny day.
Doei.
Doei! Bye bye, Renee and Mimi. Till the next time.
A Dutch tall ship, the Golden Leo, from Kampen is visiting Porto Santo for a few days. Kampen was our home port for Make My Day when we bought her 8 years ago.
De Gulden Leeuw uit Kampen. There's one up in top.
Okie dokie.
Michael
Die hoeka dinges.
hoeka dingetje.
Yeah. Here's a regulator and hose. Ooh. And da 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 da. Da is he. The DGLUYUDV. Doogly. We purchased a floating dive snorkel. It provides compressed air to the diver via a hose with a regulator. It makes cleaning the hull a lot easier and quicker.
So I will film tomorrow. Probably tomorrow you're gonna try.
Yeah, I'll read the thing.
New toy. Got it. Ik ben eigenlijk gek. Ik heb geen flippers aan. Ik moet met één hand zwemmen. Ik heb de camera. Hij is aan het filmen. Hij is sneller met de GoPro. Ik zet ik dat ding even boven.
I did it well. In any case. I'll say Erste test is okay.
Yeah.
I can get underneath the boat, I can clean it,
That was the most important.
and I need to clean it. There's shit growing on it already.
Zeg maar, het water is niet zo mooi helder, hè?
Huh?
Het water is niet zo mooi helder als vanmorgen. Ja, dat is een beetje jammer. Even met een nieuwe speler dingetje spelen.
Okay.
was cleaning the anodes.
A lot of sailboats are leaving Porto Santo. They will spend the winter in the Canaries or Cape Verde. Some will even cross the Atlantic and head to the Caribbean. Here is Bruce leaving, heading for destinations in Africa.
Fritz is taking over. It's gonna be your spot later.
Obelix is taking over Bruce's spot for a few days. The power turn and docking maneuver was pretty intense, but this skipper knows how to handle his boat.
Slow down.
Afterwards, we called him Fritz Verstappen. Later, we move into this same spot. So now we are in the marina. We spent almost half a year on anchor or on a mooring ball. The winter is coming and there will be less sun. So we can plug in if we have to and save some fuel by not running the Honda generator.
Cleaning dinghy time. Neighbor, Nachbar.
A few days later, Obelix is leaving for the Canaries. Sabir is going to Madeira for a few days and will return.
Cheers.
Nanook is also leaving for the winter in the Canaries, as well as Asylum. I think they'll all have a good time down there. There is a bread market in the town with some live music. In another bar is a Halloween party going on, which we had to go check out. Leontine is cutting my hair on the dock.
Ah shit, I'm too late. In this episode, Leontine is cutting Michael's hair. It never rains in Porto Santo, but sometimes it rains hair.
Thanksgiving, our favorite holiday. Boss is buying 2 big espadas and prepping them for the whole group.
No turkey today, but we call
A porky.
Poiky.
A poiky.
So Fishy Man and the Poiky Man.
Yo yo.
How's it going?
It's getting there. I'm just working the fire a little bit. Tried a different kind of charcoal. Soda.
So
I'm getting the poiky ready, and there is a place for a barbecue. Everybody is bringing something to share. We invited people all around us to celebrate Thanksgiving. It's not a normal holiday in Europe, but we think everybody could celebrate this non-religious or non-political holiday. The only part Europe has adopted is the Black Friday. Kind of a shame. Alright, here we go. Thanksgiving, Porto Santo, 2023. You people got nothing else better to do. Welcome to my favorite holiday. Yeehaw!
Oh, that is.
Ja,
So Bas is busy with his fish.
Yes, and empty.
Empty.
Yes.
Oh, you had already some. Ja, zelf gemaakt.
We had beautiful weather and good food and drinks and great company. We partied well into the night.
The after party. My promise.
Birthday breakfast. I get an old banana peel. Thank you, Val. Thank you, Poopy.
Real Dutch breakfast.
Yeah.
Birthday breakfast.
Birthday breakfast.
In this episode, we're gonna celebrate Michael's birthday. But it's a surprise. So he doesn't know. We're gathering here at the Morning Glory. And Frans is ready for some birthday music. Waiting for the rest to come. And then we're gonna surprise Michael. Look, also the Polaris is coming to celebrate Michael's birthday. But we have to be quiet because it's a surprise. But there we go. Hallo. Goedemorgen. Even de... Kijk, daar is de gabber en de polster. We're all gonna celebrate Michael's birthday, but it's a surprise.
There's a lot of people. It's scary. Feeling eng.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Keep it in.
Michael, good morning.
Hello.
Michael, we thought, all of us, that you need a present because of your birthday. You are such a nice person and always helpful, always ready to assist with boys, with engines, with solar panels. And not to forget your barbecue initiative, not a plan, initiative. And behind every successful man is a strong woman. She's always.
I'm gonna start crying now.
She's always a little bit in the background, but we thought we are gonna give you a present, but it's for the two of you, and you need to spend it in a nice restaurant. And we all take off our caps for you. Yes. But now you don't have a cap, so this is you have a cap. It's in there. Be careful.
I'm careful. Don't worry.
Ah!
Yeah! And you don't have to go tonight to the restaurant,
No.
but soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Beep, beep.
Thank you, dankjewel, dankjewel. Back to normal. Back to normal.
Back to work. Yeah.
Here.
Dat wordt nooit oud. That's good. At my age, that helps.
It's the last year, you know.
Yeah.
1 year.
Why? Yeah. Start over again.
Well, see you later.
Thank you.
Yeah.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
It will be crowded.
Happy birthday, Poppy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was special. I didn't expect that at all. And pasta donata to go with my coffee. Oh, must be my birthday. No, that was very sweet of everybody. I really didn't see that coming at all. Later in the evening, we had a party at the Marina Bar.
And I'm going to play it for you now. Aww. So here we go.
Michael, dit is je verjaardag. Zomaar niet voorbij. Dan ben jij, daarom ben ik ook zo blij. En zingen we hiep hiep hoera. Dit is je verjaardag. Gaat zomaar niet voorbij. Medewens voor een heel bijzonder mens. Een liedje van mij.
Zo.
Alsjeblieft. The day after my birthday, the classmates of the kids, Jack and James from Maria, are coming to visit their boat. It's pretty unusual for the local kids to have friends that live on a sailboat. We dig up our wedding clothes and dress the parents as pirates.
My soul, I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock.
Also, our pirate flag is fluttering on Maria.